So today we're doing the swap. The Skar Audio VXF 12 is getting dropped for the all-new Bass Blaster 12. I am excited. But first, I am going to do a decibel test on what that Skar Audio actually makes. Now, what is this? This is a prototype meter from Basshead Garage. Now, ain't that cool? Not on the market yet, but I'm going to be showing it to you here first. This thing catches your decibel. You can hardwire it in or just run a power source with a Type-C to Type-C. Very neat. Let's go see what the Skar meters. So here is that meter. Now, I don't know the exact accuracy of it to compare it with something like a Term Lab, but we're going to use it as a measuring tool. So let's see what it meters with just one single 12 on everything the way it is. Looks like a 132.19 decibel at 31 hertz. Now, like I said, I don't know the accuracy because this is just a prototype, but we're going to see if the sparked Bass Blaster gets a higher score than that in the same exact location with the same exact tool. So here we have Micah taking out the Skar VXF 12. It's been doing a good job so far. I can't complain, but I do have a rather large box, so that doesn't help either. It's on the larger side of enclosure recommendations. But the Bass Blaster, I got high hopes. So, like I said, I don't know if that voltmeter, the decibel reader, is accurate to the T. I can't tell you that, but because it's a prototype, this is a first up. They're not on the website yet. They sent it to me for testing, so that's what I'm going to be doing. It's very easy to use, though, I'll tell you that. But what we will show you, that was the baseline measurement with the Skar VXF 12, and then we're not going to touch any of the amplifier adjustments, none of that, just a direct swap and see if the Bass Blaster, how much louder it is with the same exact test, same exact tool, whatever that is. So the VXF is not a horrible subwoofer at all. It's it holds its own for, $300, but it doesn't have the development and the research behind the Sparked Innovations Bass Blaster. It just doesn't have all the bells and whistles. Now, you do pay for that, but there's a connoisseur, type to every bass head that likes to have that one level up. But yeah. Come on, Micah, there you go. Perfect fit. Now, one thing to note on the decibel test is the VXF has been, it is broken in. It's been banged for a couple years now, so it's all good. The Bass Blaster will be brand spanking new, just pulled out of the box, and I've done some free air testing on it. Only thing I've done is make content, more or less. I haven't actually put it in an enclosure and bumped it around the block. So this will be our first test to bump it around the block. And woofers, they get a little bit happier and a little bit louder whenever they start to break in. So that's one thing that I'll keep you guys updated for. So there's the Bass Blaster all installed, and now we're going to do a little bit of testing and try to see what decibel just doing the woofer swap did. All right, so now let's test the Bass Blaster in the same location. I know this isn't the location of the kick or the glass. I fully understand that. This is just trying to keep the same exact location and the same settings on everything, just as a woofer comparison. Let's go ahead and do another one, another sweep. Nice. It felt and sounded totally different, and yeah, real nice. Now let's see what it looks like when it's flexing in the box. So hell yeah, that was just a woofer swap. We went up in dBs, and this woofer is not even broken in yet. Let me go get groceries a few times, and it'll be a whole lot different of a game. And that was a cool little test. The bass blaster sounded wonderful. I love the looks of it. Hey, hell yeah, man. I'm happy about the swap. So we were able to get the woofer a lot louder, but I wanted to do a controlled comparison of the Skar VXF, and that was with the windows rolled all the way up, no clipping, no nothing. That was all exactly the same. So this shows that the woofer is a little bit more better, and it's going to take the power a lot better than the VXF. In the first test, in the first two comparisons, I wasn't trying to show off any of the dirty wattage and stuff like that. Pure clean test tones, all at the same exact levels, with just a woofer swap. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe here to Banginbros for more car audio content, and follow Banginbros on Instagram. Check out the Spark Innovations Bass Blaster 12. They also come in 10s, 15s, 18s, and of course the 12. And you can use coupon code Banginbros and get a discount, a really good discount, on all of the subwoofers, no matter what size, at sparkedinnovations.com. Just use code Banginbros. What's that again? Banginbros. It is linked below as well if you want to go check it out. So thank you guys for tuning in. On to the next one.